Beatrice. When I came to see Dr. Russell, I couldn't even walk straight. I went to the emergency room and all they gave me was painkillers and pills that kept me sleeping all the time. After 3 visits with Dr. Russell, I was walking straight, I had my energy back, and I was able to go back to work as a waitress and carry my trays again. I felt so good that I recommended my daughter Rebecca.
Hi, I'm Rebecca, and when we went to Pennsylvania, well, after my mom was feeling better, my cousin had a trampoline, and we were on it constantly. After a while, my back started to hurt, and it got so bad I can barely walk either. After a few visits, I felt a lot much better.